There are too many people in the world making music. There are too many people writing songs. The world really doesn't need any more songwriters. It doesn't need any more music. That is the reality. We're already drowning in content and music. But here's the positive side to that. That's liberating, because it means that if you are going to make music, you do it because you really love it and because you have a feeling inside yourself that you need to create music. Even though the world doesn't need your music, you have a vocation and a feeling inside you that you need to make music. And that's a beautiful thing about music. That's where music started, after all, before it was, commodified and turned into a product. And that also means that if you are going to make music, find the things about what you do, about the way you make music, that are all wrong. What I mean is the things that the music industry will tell you you shouldn't do. And this comes back to what we were talking about earlier, about there being prescribed ways that you're supposed to write songs. In a world where there is already too much music, accentuate the things in what you do that are unusual and that a big record company guy, marketing guy, would probably tell you you shouldn't be doing. Accentuate those things. It's what I've done my whole career. And I've had a pretty good career out of it. I've never been a big mainstream success, probably that's why, but I've actually had longevity because I've accentuated the stuff that people have told me I shouldn't be doing. Long songs, unconventional structures, all of those things that you shouldn't be doing. And I think in a world where there's already so much music, you have to find those things, the quirks, if you like. What's quirky about your personality, your way of making music? Home in on those things and don't even think about what everyone else is doing. That's my advice. Yeah.